Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? So I have another unboxing video for you today. I know these are highly riveting. So yeah, got another one for you. Today we are going to be unboxing, here's one I prepared earlier, a Lenovo laptop. So this one is, and I am going to check the specs myself here and the model number because as ever it's going to be some long model number which I'd never remember. So this one is a V15-IIL, and that is basically a 15-inch full HD laptop. This one has got an i5 10th generation processor, 8 gig of RAM and a 256 gigabyte SSD in it, along with Windows 10 Pro. So shall we go ahead and unbox this and get some first impressions of it, shall we? So as ever, we've got a Lenovo seal on it, of course. Let's just eke that open. Okay, so we have, as you can see, the usual protective polystyrene and foam and stuff. Got the usual power adapter there with the Lenovo. The leads tend to be quite long on them, by the way. That's quite a nice little bonus, to tell you that already. And whilst this isn't a review video, of course, but I'm just throwing that out there. So, laptop itself, let's see what we've got in here. Inside it is just the marketing material, so I'll get the box out of the way now. So what we have is laptop in its protective foam and sealed bag. And we'll just have a quick look at the laptop itself. I'm not going to do a review of this yet. I haven't even used it myself yet or had a play with it, so I'm not really in a position to only know the basic specs. But here it is, a 15-inch, what I'd class as a business laptop in there. So let's take a look, see what we've got, and I'll lift it up to show you guys. So there we go. That is me peering over the edge of it. That is a 15-inch Lenovo laptop unboxed, and this will now go through to our workshop area and begin setup and installation specifically for the customer that's going to. When I have had a play with this myself and had a feel for it, I will do a full review video, so please do look out for that. But if you've enjoyed this unboxing video, of course you have, please do smash the like button. It really helps grow our channel. Please do comment on the video. I try and get back to everybody personally. And please do subscribe. We're releasing news content all the time. And likewise, look out for the links below to connect in with me on the likes of Twitter and Instagram and LinkedIn. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you again next time.